So guys, get ready for the ninth generation 2025 Toyota Camry, which is now a hybrid only model with an impressive 232 combined horsepower. Since its debut in 1983, the Camry has become famous for its reliability and the efficiency, winning the heart of millions. The latest Camry fits into the Toyota Beyond Zero Vision, contributing to their lineup of 19 electrified models. This goal is achieved carbon neutrality and reducing carbon emission for a cleaner future. The hybrid system combines 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a two electric motor, offering a both front-wheel drive and the electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. And the suspension and brake have been improved for a better agility and the responsiveness. The safety is the key focus, and the 2025 Camry includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as the standard. The comprehensive suite features the pre-collision system with a pedestrian detection, full speed range, dynamic radar, cruise control, and the lane departure alert with a steering assist. The Camry continues to be a best-selling sedan in the US, and the 2025 Camry has a striking hammerhead front head design and the cleaner interior. Buyer can select from 9 exterior color and the 4 two-tone style, and inside seat materials include soft touch trimmed seats with a white essence leather and Dinamica microfiber trimmed seat. And for those opting for the premium XLE and the XSE model, there are upgraded like 12.3 inches digital glass cluster and the optional 10 inches head-up display with the Toyota audio multimedia system cater the infotainment needs with the option for the 8 inches touch screen or the larger 12.3 inches screen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are an optional 9 speaker JBL premium audio system for enhanced listening pleasure. So the 2025 Toyota Camry is more than just a hybrid car. It is a testament to Toyota dedication to innovation, sustainability, and the superior driving experience. Whatever you are interested in its advanced hybrid technology, safety features, or stylish design, the new Camry aiming to uphold its legacy of the excellence. The last year alone, 3 lakh units were sold. The Toyota plan to build on the success of the 5th generation Toyota hybrid system. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Camry is a powerful hybrid vehicle that continues to reflect Toyota commitment to the creating reliable, efficient, and stylish car. With its enhanced feature and dedication to reduce carbon emission, and the new Camry is set to impress both long-time fans and the new buyers alike. Thank you.